Hello beautiful people, I'm back again with another exciting video. So I have an idea and I want to try out something fascinating, but I need someone with a long silky hair. Hey! So I have my beautiful friend here with me with her long silky hair, and I'm going to show you 3 styles that is going to blow your mind. Trust me, you want to stay to the end. Okay, for this first style, I'm going to start by combing the hair. Now I'm going to pack the hair backwards, section out a portion of the hair that I would want to fall on the face. I find this very cute, but you can skip this step if you don't want any hair falling on your face. Now I'm going to comb the sides of the hair and then apply oil on my palms. Now I'll rub my oily palm over the hair so it will be easy for me to style. Now pack the hair upwards and secure with an elastic hairband. And you have something like this. This is the ponytail that we are going to work with. And so I'm going to oil the hair with an almond hair oil. This will make it easy for me to style. Now take a small size elastic hairband like this. Watch carefully to see how you can use this to create a hair bun. Now with the remaining hair that I have left, I'm going to make a French braid with it. All you need to do is to divide the remaining hair into 3 equal sections, like this. Now place the middle section over the left section. Then allow the right section to go under the left section. Keep repeating the steps until your French braid or weaving is created. Now when you get to the tip of the hair, you take a small elastic hairband to keep hair in place, just so it doesn't come off. Another way to spice up this style is to place the braids under the bun and then secure it with a pin. You could also secure it with a beautiful hair bow tie pin like this one. It's beautiful, right? Instead of the pin, you could use a beautiful natural jasmine flower and wrap around the hair like this. I've decided to use this because I want to create a bridal look with this style. This second style is very easy. With the same ponytail that we used for the first style, we're going to use the same ponytail for this next style. Now you oil the hair to give it that natural shine. Now section out 1/3 of the hair from the ponytail and then use a small elastic hairband to tie the hair that you have sectioned out just in the middle. You will have something like this. Now use your hand to create a hole on the portion of the hair that you've sectioned out and then do this. Now that you have a more defined opening on the sectioned hair, you're going to place your left hand into that little opening on the sectioned hair and do this. Now do this to achieve a beautiful effect on this ponytail. Now use an elastic hairband to secure this in place. Please watch carefully so you see how I am able to use my hand to twirl the hair in a way that it will create this curly or wavy look. All you have to do is apply oil on your palm and then take out a particular section from the ponytail, preferably a smaller section. Now use your oily palm to twirl the hair round. Watch carefully so you see what my hand is doing. You keep repeating this until you get to the ends of the hair, and once you leave it, you're going to have that wavy or curly look. Now once you get to the tip of the hair, let it fall and you're going to realize that you have achieved that curly or wavy texture on the hair. Now repeat the same step on the rest of the hair. Isn't this beautiful? You can spice it up with a natural jasmine flower as we did for the first style, and you have something like this. Now for the last style, you have to divide the hair into two equal sections. I'm going to comb through the first section of the hair and just tie it to keep it in place like this. I'll come back to this section, but first let's go to the other section. Now for this section, I'm going to take out a little portion of her hair and let it fall on her face. I just like it, I feel it's cute. Now watch carefully so you see how I'm able to achieve this beautiful French braid on this hair. Now when you get to the root of the hair, you continue the same step until you get to the tip of the hair. Repeat the same step for the other section and you have something like this. This is the side view and this is the back view. Now this is the front view. Guess what? I have reserved the blooper section of this video at the end, so if you want to laugh out loud, then watch to the end. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Let me know your best style in the comment section. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Click to watch my next video.